I made it. The open house is officially open. I don't have anybody here, and I don't know, I may not have anybody come by because the exterior of this house is very different. In fact, I have to say that I was judging a book by its cover, but I just walked this property and it's really thoughtfully designed and it has some unique features, and it's got a little casita in the back. It has goats. Of course, they don't convey with the property, but I'm gonna take you around since I don't have anybody out front. This is the entryway. Look at that wood detail. I mean, it's pretty grand. And you can immediately to the left, you have a bathroom and a bedroom. And then this little, I don't know, you put your gloves and your umbrella in there. Check it out. And you can turn left, and over there is an office and another bedroom, or you can turn right, and that's where the primary is. In the first bedroom, you know, I don't know, maybe a teenager who works and needs to exit through the front. They got a nice big closet over there. And then there's another bedroom. Their view. Plantation shutters on everything. With their own bathroom. And another big closet. Then you can go into this bedroom. So this is our third bedroom with another bathroom, another large closet. So that's the bedroom we just left. And then down the hall is the office with built-in bookshelf and desk, but it still has a closet. So, I mean, it gets pretty dark in here. This is handy for, you know, conference calls, not disturbing the entire house. Okay, so let's go into the primary. And they have, again, canned lighting, ceiling fan, you know, function in here. It's thoughtful with your plug-ins. But you'll have to see this closet. It's like a studio apartment. I mean, this is nuts. 3-stage. I mean, look, I have enough stuff to put in like this one little section here, and that's it. You can put your shoes, very nice. And then of course you have your shower, your toilet, your jacuzzi. Okay, but let's come back out into the entryway and into this rotunda. I mean, it is like just screaming Christmas tree goes here. Of course, this could be like a little sitting area, and then you have your family room. That wood detail again. Your big old kitchen with custom refrigerator and pantry. I mean, okay, so you could sit at the bar. Of course, you can sit at the bar in the kitchen, but it is a wet bar. And it has a space for a refrigerator and a wine cooler. And then it also has outlets up there. Lots of details in here. This is the living room. That's the bar. Kind of gives you an idea from this side. I mean, this place is huge. So right off the living room, this right here is the garage, a 3-car garage. Then you have a laundry room, a very large laundry room. So you could do old school, like I like, you know, top load or front load. Then you also have your built-in, of course you have space for a freezer over here. You could do something over there. And then this is where all the main electrical is. Huge. To the garage, you have your home gym. And it also has outlets for the TV. You know, you can put your Peloton in here. I don't know, put a bar up, do dance, whatever y'all want to do. Of that little workout room is the last bedroom. It's quite large. You have a closet there. It's the only one that doesn't have a bathroom inside of the bedroom. but you have a little half bath right here. Oh yeah, and I'm not really doing this any justice by like how tall the ceilings are in here. Okay, so I told you there were goats, right? I don't know, I've recorded this a couple times. So there's the casita. This is the outdoor living. So it's plumbed for an outdoor kitchen for the new owner to take on. And check out these goats. Of course, now they're not out here. They were just yammering on a minute ago. There they are. They're looking at me like they don't even know what to think. So this is fully fenced, and then it has an electric gate. That right there is 64. Now, let's look at the front of this house, and you're gonna understand when I say it looks different. So obviously one of the things about living in this area is if it's unrestricted and if you can have, you know, horses and goats to get your ag exemption. So when you buy an $800,000 home, you don't have super high taxes. So you can see the 3-car garage, and then this is the little casita. It's really cute as well. I mean, come on now. You could probably even do like a little Airbnb, something like this. Another big closet with its own washer and dryer hookup. This is the gutter system. I forgot to take a pic of it. Basically, you can see you got the gutters, and then we also have the French drain. And really, there's so much cement around here that you can see if there was standing water, if that was an issue, or it's splashing back. So, of course, you always want to get a home inspection. I'm never going to say don't get a home inspection. Even if you purchase with a VA loan, you still want a home inspection. The price point. I know that sometimes you see these stats shared that it's like 30 days on market, and that's the average list to close. That's not really it when you're talking about these higher price points. You'll hear that rooster out here. It's very quiet. It's very quiet inside, even though you're next to 64. And, you know, you got a rooster and different things out here. This would make a nice wedding venue. This could be a good business opportunity for a wedding venue, certainly with how close it is to the highway and the airport. Anyway, I'm very hungry and I am going to be going home. So this was my day.